hard, but
it's weird. Like the okay, yeah.
There's the zebra stripes you're on, so it looks a little like there's these zebra things. That
But
just means
I
the
film
highlight.
you through the viewer
Yep.
because even though the camera's pointed,
Yeah, whatever is on that screen is what you're filming.
okay, it's weird.
Yeah, because it's like a wide angle, so it's a little like wide, it's like a GoPro.
Okay,
All right, so
I'm filming away, I guess.
Great. All right, there we go. So I'm uploading the DJI app. Where the hell is that thing? There it is. DJI Fly. What is this? Oh, user feedback. Yes, cancel. All right. See, it says incompatible. This is what the warning. Camera not calibrated. Image quality affected. Contact DJI support. So I don't know what that means, but maybe I'll ask them. I'm gonna do normal. Recording. All right. Oh wait, the gimbal's on. Sorry. I gotta take off that bulb. I gotta take the bulb thing off, sorry. There you go. There you go. Alright, am I in the shot?
Yep.
Alright. Back up. Up. Here he goes. See you, Kevin. Alright, you can hand me that now. Just you don't have to worry about this.